In previous video, we have discussed about general introduction of ANS, then classification of sympathomimetics, classification of adrenergic receptor, and action of sympathomimetics on various organs. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss about therapeutic classification of sympathomimetics and their therapeutic uses. First therapeutic classification of sympathomimetic is vasopressure. That means it constricts the blood vessels. In this, main drugs are noradrenaline, dopamine, P, that means phenylephrine, ephedrine, methoxamine, and mephenteramine. Then next class is cardiac stimulant, which are generally used in cardiac arrest, in which drugs are adrenaline, dobutamine, and isoprenaline. Then next is a bronchodilator. This class is mainly useful during asthma attack, in which drugs are isoprenaline, salbutamol, terbutaline, salmeterol, formoterol, and bambuterol. These dilators acts on beta 2 agonist, which are present on bronchioles. Then next is nasal decongestant, in which oxymetazoline, phenylephrine, nefazoline, pseudoephedrine, and phenylpropanolamine. This nasal decongestion gives relief. Then next one is CNS stimulant, in which there are mainly three drugs, that is amphetamine, mephentamine, and dexamphetamine. Then next is anorectics. Anorectics means agents which are used to suppress the appetite, in which drugs are fenfluramine, sibutramine, and dexfenfluramine. Our last one is uterine relaxant and vasodilators. These uterine relaxants are mainly used during abortion, in which drugs are ritodrine, which is uterine relaxant, then salbutamol, isosaprin, and terbutaline. And this was about therapeutic classification. Now next one is therapeutic uses of sympathomimetics, under which first use is vascular uses, means related to blood vessels. First one is that is hypotensive state, or it is also known as shock. For this, pressure agents are used. Generally for cardiac shock, dobutamine is preferred, while that for anaphylactic shock, adrenaline is preferred. Then second is along with local anesthetic, it increases duration of action. For this, adrenaline is used. Then to control local bleeding, for this, adrenaline, phenylephrine, or ephedrine is used. Then next is nasal discongestion, that is mainly alpha agonist are involved in this. We will see about its mechanism. Then next one is peripheral vascular disease. For this, isoxaprine is used. Then now we will see about how sympathomimetics are effective in nasal decongestant. So this rectangles represents our nose, and this yellow color cylinder represents our blood vessels which are present in nose. Here we can see there is very small passage to pass the air, so relief is not there. So as soon as these are drug molecules which are in yellow in color binds to alpha 2 receptor that are present in blood vessels, so these blood vessels get constricted and air can easily pass and we get relief. Then next use is cardiac use. First one, that is cardiac arrest, which means heart stop working, means it is in seize condition. For that, adrenaline is used. It is directly ingested into heart. Then partial or complete AV block. For this, isoprenaline is used. Then last one, that is congestive heart failure. For this, dopamine or dobutamine. Generally dobutamine is preferred. Then next one is uterine relaxant. For this, main drug is isoxaprine and ritodrine. Ritodrine is selective beta 2 agonist and it is used to cause abortion. Then next one is mydriatics. Here mainly phenylephrine and dipivaprin is used. Mydriatics means dilation of pupil. Then next use is in bronchial asthma. We have discussed it in therapeutic classification only. Here beta 2 agonists, that is salbutamol, terbutaline, salmeterol are these are the drugs which are used in bronchial asthma. Then next one is insulin hypoglycemia. For this adrenaline is main drug that is used. Then last one is allergic disorder. For this also adrenaline is used.